Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end to clear cache on Shein. Firstly, open up your Shein application. You'll arrive on the home page of Shein application. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section. Now, simply tap on the little gear icon at the top right side of the page. To clear cache on Shein application, tap on the Clear Cache option. Confirm clearing off your cache on Shein by tapping on Yes. Clearing cache on Shein will delete all your temporary images to free up space on your device. This is how you can clear cache on Shein application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.